Ay, Ali. May pang Wednesday pala. Ay, nako, PG.
Ay, naku, may pag...
Alright. We can go van for van. We can go M for M. Quarter wheel with a Maybach truck. Double R with the factory Rams. I get the 90 years. Iinis ako, nasisira.
Di mo alam bakit ba nakagaganto. Andito ako sa Airplane to Story sa Roblox. Huwag nyo pansinin ang kasama kong makulit.
Sinong makulit ako?
O, ikaw.
Ah, kaya ka nga, chat-chat ko sa'yo, no? Kung may chat ko si mami mo.
Joke lang. Ako si Kenshin 320. Ang pinakamalakas dito sa buong mundo.
Huwag mo akong bubusitan na.
Hey, Bobby. Kayo mo po kayo, baka mamatay kayo.
Ah, ako mamamatay.
Ikaw yung Roblox. As you can probably tell, is not a regular plane, Steven.
Ako, sinusubukan mo talaga ako.
Your head right? The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. We still don't understand how to captain lost control that time. Always you save the day and the reason we are here. Ay nako, my you're not chatting. Emily Sama. Please find a seat that has golden label with your name on it, Steven. Asan daw yung upuan ni Steven? Ayun. Ayo po, mamamatay kayo.
Bakit talaga? Sige.
Ay!
Chat ko.
Ayoko. Ayoko. Rudy Bijad Barrels. Steven? Steven! Ah! Halina't pag-uod, halina't dinggin mong panalangin. Good.
Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw.
Sa
Naghawak-hawak ang kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan.
Would you know my name?
Naghawak-hawak ng kamay, halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw. Maghawak-hawak ang kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan. Kapayapaan.
Para ganito. Tara, pasok na tayo.
Halina't sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw. Hawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan.
7, sabay-sabay. Ay, nako, may
Halina't
pag-asa.
sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw.
Would you know my name? Is them on myself, talking to the moon. Is them on myself,
Kaya ka nga
talking.
sumama.
Steven? Sorry. Sorry, boy. Yes. Is them on myself, talking to the moon. Brom, brom. Tara, maglinis tayo. Maglinis. Baka di tayo pagkurungan. Talking to the moon. Sino yan? Pasok. Si Gab. Still on myself.
Halina't sumayaw
Sa inaningki kata.
sa ilalim ng araw. Maghawak-hawak ng kamay, isigaw ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan.
Na ay nako, may pag-asa sa piling mo. I'm sorry, is that Ronald Trump. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Sir, welcome din po sa inyo, Sir Airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Roblox state. You must know, you are heroes for this nation.
Sumayaw
Alina't sumayaw. Ay, nako.
Hawak-hawak ng kamay,
Would you
isigaw
know?
ng sabay-sabay kapayapaan.
Would you know my name? If it's on 11. The food is not ready yet. What? Through that chip of the display. Pasok, welcome to sa Jollibee. Order na po kayo mga pagkain. Gab.
Dito Gab.
Ay, si Jojo pala eh. Alam si Gab.
Gab kasi.
Sige. Araw po tayo. Fatima, I will tell you. You will see them to accept that. Fatima. Can see. Bapang Steven. Asan yung ano? Si Mangat. Sabi ni Ira. Emeralds. The soup. It's pepper. Ate Ma, bilisan mo. Magluto ka la. Magagalit na si Saron. Si ano, President Donald. The soup needs grapes. Oh, kailangan daw na grapes. Nasa taas. Very good. Lutuin mo na. Hindi pa rin kasi minasok mo yun. Kailangan daw ng fish. Yeah, very good. Lutuin mo yan. Kailangan ng corn. Corn. Kalo. Semanggat. Yeah. The soup needs tomato. Tomato daw. Tomato. Yan. The food is ready. Tara, upo na tayo. Kakain na tayo. Yan. Kain na. It's delicious. Everyone, take a seat. Ito na daw tayo. Kaya nakakain na. Mamamatay tayo. Emeralds. Kain na tayo. Kakain tayo ng marami. Yan. Emeralds. Kain na tayo. Kain na. Tayo kumakain. Enjoy. Kaya tayo hanggang maubos. Enjoy. Ubus na. We hope you enjoyed the soup. We hope you enjoyed the President. We should be meeting you. Here's Emerald. Ito na nga pat. Nag-give yung isa.
Steven natin yung chinelas mo yun. Hindi ko lang. Ano yan?
Aro.
Sabi may kaya po na madilo ko kayo dahil brasker.
Laptop. Laptop tayo. Welcome to the computer room. We use this room to protect us. We will attack your system.
Wala nga po eh.
The president is waiting president's soup. Now you must try to keep your...
JD mo sinuot?
Hindi po. Ayun po tayo. Hindi pa ako nagko-computer. Ayan na. You must try to keep future.
Yan pa naman mo, kaulan tepa. Kaulan tepa.
Tara, pasok na tayo. Oh. Really need to work in the code. Meet with the president in the next room. Hello again. Sorry, I had to leave early. Head to. Get everything ready, yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, I will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. Tara, bedroom. For someone. For some reason, I can find the keys. Find the key. Open natin this room. Open natin yung key. Ay, Saan daw yung susi? Uy, susi daw. Susi. I found. I found the key. Let's open the door then. Wow! Kasya yata tayo dito.
Isigaw ng sabay.
Tig-tatlo, tig-apat tayo. Base spending the night. This room for everyone. I give you guys time to get compile.
Ingat sumayaw. Ay, Lee! Lee!
Sinlay.
Lee.
Lay nami.
Ay, Jim.
Oy, yung lay daw. Ayun na, nakakuha. Kinuha ko na yung lay. Halina't sumayaw na Steven Pandigan. Isang wala nga na imbis na gawin. Gusto nga na may lika. Going bulili tayo ginawa. I can sleep, there is something. Try the scares me. Pamaskers tayo. Sinuwanan na ni may lika. Pilipino ay ginawa. Okay. Guys, the curtain. Dalawang curtain na. Naman may lika. Going bulilit ay ginawa. May monster. May monster dito. Is the monster. May monster dito. Oh no, it's the monster. Did you forget about me so early? Takbo! Fire!
Pangay may banil digi ang magkano.
Takbo! Takbo tayo, may monster. Ay, yung fire. Bari tayo ng fire. Namat.
Sumayaw sa ilalim ng araw. Hawak-hawak ang kamay.
Hindi ka. Going bulili tayo ginawa. Storage. Ako, namatay yung isa. Si Fatima. Namatay si Fatima. Fatima, namatay ka. So naman, namayli ka. We need to run. Fire, we need to run.
Alini! Bakit papalo guys?
Alam ka bangal? Alam ka bangal?
Ayun.
Ooh, are we safe now? The floor. Oh, ay, Diyos ko po, patay na floor. Patay kami. Patay.
Laki na yun, mag-Tagalog eh.
Wala na.
Alam niya karikay. Ito na nalibang ko.
Atin lang pag-set.
Ikaw na kayo?